The stars above, they shine with light. The seas obey His perfect might. The winds will move, the rain will fall. Allah has wisdom in it all. Nothing is without a reason. Every leaf, each changing season, signs of mercy, signs so clear. They remind us He is near. The ant walks on, the bird takes flight, the moon appears, the sun brings light. Night for rest, the day for deeds. All creation meets His needs. Even pain has a place in time. Every loss holds a hidden sign. Nothing is without a reason. Every leaf, each changing season.